wrong? Guys, welcome to Manila. I'm going to explore the center.
Bridge. And
That bridge there is gifted by China. Okay, you're going to do the vlogging. Yeah.
US Philippines may bagong dollar Miss Coast Guard. May East Binondo Bridge. The bridge up to the Philippines. The welcome to China.
Okay. What are you doing? Are you barking? Barking to the boat.
Ano? Bye-bye, Bridge. Bye! Pero! May angkoy. Nagugutom na ako.
We got the kids down here in the water. Hey.
Hey, friend. Hey, what's your name?
Oh.
Hey, what's your name?
Martin.
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 Hey, what's your name?
Okay, last one. The last
Hey,
one.
what's your name?
Martin. You should put on some clothes. Hey. Good, bro. Wait a second. Guys, welcome to the Philippines. I'm here in the capital, Manila, and today we're going to explore the center of the city. I'm here at the riverside between two bridges. One bridge that has been gifted by the Chinese. You can see the Chinese flag and the Philippines flag on there. And here on the other side we have a bridge gifted by the Americans after the independence. It is called the Jones Bridge. And meanwhile I'm here with these kids. They're swimming in the water doing crazy stuff. They barely let me record my video, but they're super nice. Okay, this guy's climbing up here. Be careful, guys. Yeah. So here is not safe to cross? Safe or dangerous? Fight? Oh.
May Binondo Bridge, may flying Binondo Bridge. Tawag dun sa may ano?
No, but I just go there to the fort now.
In the fort?
Yes.
New house. Amy house. House.
I don't understand. Okay. I go here is safe?
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hello.
Hey,
Yes.
you snatcher.
Snatcher.
Hello. Bridge.
What's happening?
Shake. No, God. You good boy. Good boy.
I'm good boy, yes. Are you good boy?
Bad boy. Bad boy.
I go on here. What? What does that mean? What does that mean?
Drugs.
Drugs? They take drugs?
Yes. You snatcher.
It's dangerous? No. Dangerous? It's dangerous here? Dangerous? They say it's dangerous here. You okay? No, I give them money.
You give me money?
Give money.
It's my phone.
Give money. The snatcher. Got to snatch some money or the phone. Yeah, the kids warned me that they're going to try to snatch my phone or some money here.
Snatcher.
He's a snatcher?
Yes.
Wow. Thanks for warning me.
What's up, bro?
Hi.
Where are you from?
Belgium.
Hey, man.
Hello. What are you doing? Waiting?
Good, I'm good.
Oh guys, that was an intense first minutes in Manila. First encountered these kids playing in the water. I was just down there. I'm now on the Chinese bridge, the gifted bridge by China. And they kind of warned me that it was dangerous to go up this bridge because there's some drug users and they would snatch my phone or some money from my pocket. And indeed there was one guy who was not very aggressive, but he was like very near to me asking for money, and it felt like he could have tried to snatch something from my phone if he had the opportunity. But I didn't feel really unsafe, but still, let's see how it goes here in Manila, and let's hope everything stays safe. We have safely crossed the river, and we're now going to enter Intramuros, the historic center of Manila.